Okay, magsisimula na po tayo sa ating second game.
Oh, okay. Saan po kayo sa'yo? Dito po ba kayo? Okay, gawin natin. Natin. Yes, apo. Kay Mrs. Baluyot. Kay Mrs. Baluyot po.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ikaw yung may comment dito?
Ah.
Ikaw yung sa chat po?
Yeah.
Wala ngayon tayo dun eh. Alright, battle for ating aspirant. Elimination round pa rin po ito na ating Paya Prada League. Up and under basket for Don Bosco Makati. Offense, let's go. No, bounce pass to number 12. Using the board, wala. Rebound by Don Bosco Makati. The ball movement. Up and under, miss. Uy, wala. Rebound. Number 45. Pass to Ngo. To number 44. Cross-court pass. Ngo, 4-3. Short. Rebound. Makuha ng Don Bosco Makati. Number 55. Sa loob, fade away shot, miss, rebound by Ngo. Ngo nagmamadali, here comes Ngo. Derecho, basket for Ngo. And the first field goal para sa Ateneo, galing kay Ngo. Tabla tayo, sa dalawa. Ayan na, Don Bosco Makati. Number 35, drop pass. Uy, nakalusot. Number 44, munti ka na magawan. Bounce pass to number 12. Finding the big man. Steal. Uy! Good hustle for Don Bosco Makati. Let's go. Bawi tayo rito. Another steal. No, all the way. Basket for No. All two. All four. Ayan na ang Don Bosco. Another steal for Ateneo. Number 45 to number 44. Drop pass. Uy, out of bound. 6 minutes and 33 seconds. Bola rito ng Don Bosco Makati. Finding open man. Binigay. Ayan na, nagmamadali. Steal by number 12. Number 12, derecho all the way. Basket is good for jersey number 12. Uy, Up and under. Basket for no. Bounce pass. Looking for Steamy. Steal. Number 12. Umatake. Gets the foul. Shooting the line, the jersey number 12, the big man. Two shots for jersey number 12. Uy, wala. Let's go, Ateneo. Second shot, basket. Time out. Don Bosco, Makati. Isha score, back to the ball game tayo, 9-4. Nabitawan eh. Ayun na, nagagawa, makakuha rito ng Don Bosco Makati. For 3, short. Out of bounds. Bola na ang ating Neo. No, setting on, hand off to number 45, to number 44. Running shot, no good. Rebound, number 57, miss. Rebound ng Don Bosco Makati, outlet pass. Fake, fade away, wala. Rebound again. Fade away, no good. Rebound by number 12. Here comes Ngo. Tinaas sa corner. Back to Ngo. Oh, bad pass. Ayan na, Don Bosco. Running shot, miss. Rebound ng Ateneo. Number 45. Pass to number 12. Oopsie. There's a foul. Let's go, Ateneo basketball. Number 45 to Ngo. Last corner, fake. Number 44, stop and pump, no good. Rebound. David with a putback. 11-4. Pass. remaining 3 minutes and 14 seconds. Running shot, block, kick out, 4-3, short. Another rebound for Don Bosco Makati. Kick out, 4-3. Uy, nakabawi ang Don Bosco Makati rin. Up and under. Ooh. Delikado yan, mga idol. Ingat. Shots by jersey number 10. That's no. And shout out kay Sir Aaron Acorda. Second shot for no basket. Time remaining 2 minutes and 39 seconds. 13-7. Wala ng Don Bosco Makati. Almost steal. Kick out, fake. Reverse layup, miss. Rebound. Ateneo. Number 19 to number 56, pass to number 41. Baluyot, kick out. Pinasa loob, David, miss. Number 56 with a putback. 15-7, lumalaki na po ulit ang ating kalamangan. Ayan na ang pressure defense ng Ateneo. Mapuputukan kaya? Naitawid ng Don Bosco. Steal by Baluyot. Pass number 41, outlet pass. Steal ng Don Bosco Makati. Side step, floater, miss. Good save. Time remaining, last 51 seconds. David. Number 19. Bounce pass to Baluyot. Pass to number 56. Miss. Rebound. Drop pass. David. And one. For David. Jersey number 8. On the shot for a 3-point play. Last 27 seconds. Miss, rebound. Ayan na ang Makati. Don Bosco. Spin move. Behind the back. Kick out. Bad pass nga lang. Walang napasahan dun. Last 14 seconds. Nine, 8, 7. Oy, too strong. 3, 2, 1. Oy! Ulala. End of the first quarter. Official score 17-7 in favor of our Ateneo de Manila University. Going to the second quarter. Okay, tayo dadawa na po sa ating second period. Number 19, hand off to number 46, pass to Baluyot. Give and go, Baluyot, and one. Basket count, may kasampang foul para kay Baluyot. And shoutout po kay Ma'am Joyce Baluyot. Napaka-supportive ma'am yan ng ating Ateneo parents. Oh, miss. Rebound ng Makati Don Bosco. Ayan na. Setting on the screen. Pumunta sa kanan. Ayan na ang double team. Uy, good defense for Ateneo. Ganda ng pagkaka-pressure doon ng ating team. Last 9 minutes para sa first half. Bola po natin dito. Number 19, setting on, kick out, Baluyot, top of the key for 3, short. Rebound ng Makati. There we go. Ayan na, dire-diretso. Wow! Umupo sa ere. Ang isa sa mga player ng Makati. Babawi rito, drop pass. Uy, no good. Out that pass, steal by Baluyot. Baluyot ang mamadali. Uy! Sayang. There's a foul. On the free throw area, number 19, De La Rosa. First shot is good for De La Rosa. Let's go. Ay, pumasok ba? Hindi daw. Second shot is good. Isa lang daw po ang pumasok. Kay De La Rosa. Ay na ang Don Bosco. Nasa. Spin. Umatake. Oh, walang tawag. Ateneo, number 48. Umatake. Short. Gets the lone miss. Wala pa rin. Number 49. Oy! Jumble yun. Bola rito mapupunta sa Don Bosco Makati. Binigay. Pass to. Crossover, kick out. Nabitawan, using the glass. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 4. Ayun na, nagmamadali. Number 4, derecho. Basket. Ayun na, Don Bosco Makati. Bigay. Number 8 setting on the play. Number 8, handoff. Gets the 3, short. Rebound. Ateneo, out that pass. Number 48, short. Rebound ng Don Bosco Makati. Kick out, number 7 from elbow 3, short. Rebound ng Ateneo. Pass to De La Rosa. De La Rosa. Ni Yoyo sa ere, but that's a traveling violation. 5 minutes and 4 seconds. Ayan na, ang Makati. Handoff. Setting on the play. Nasa corner. Oy, binato na lang. Rebound ng Ateneo. Number 48, nagmamadali. Binigay. For extra pass, pero naka-steal. Naka-recover. Number 4. Get the basket by Castro. Ayan na, Don Bosco Makati. Ayan na, nakalusot. 2 against 2, up and under, and score. 24-13 in favor pa rin sa ating Ateneo. Ngo. Bounce pass, steal. Bosco.
Defense!
So, sidestep. Whoa! Grabe naman yun. Nagpapakitang gilas dito ang Don Bosco Makati. Babasa single digit ang ating alamangan. 24-15. Number 48. Paso Castro. Tungo. Setting on the screen. Ngo. High pick up. Umatake. Wala. Rebound ng Don Bosco Makati. Here we go. Number 8. Pinas sa corner. Oh, that's a trouble. Jersey number 7. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 28 seconds remaining. Bola rito ng ating Ateneo. Castro. Pass to number 18. Out that pass. Napalakas nga lang ang pass doon. Handoff. Pass to. Kick out. The guy. Up and under. Block by jersey number 12. Pass to Castro. Out of bound. Last touch. Bola rito ng Don Bosco Makati.
Defense!
Cross-court pass. Number 15. SE. 8 seconds to shoot. Ligay sa corner. Fake. Spin. Natapikan. 2, 1, 4, 3. Oh! Naiabol pa ng Don Bosco doon. Ayan na. Out that pass. Last 57 seconds. Here comes number 18. Bam! By jersey number 48. That's Banate. Ayan na ang Makati Don Bosco. Setting on the play. Handoff. Cross. Pass to. Pass. Fake. Matake. Kick out. 4-2. No good. Rebound ng Ateneo. To number 12. Pass number 48. To Mira. Oh! Di pa tapos na laban. 12 seconds. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 5 seconds violation. Last 3 seconds. Wala rito ng ating Ateneo. Last 3 seconds ang natitira sa first half. No. Substitution number 47 coming in for Castro.
Lucas ilalim! Anak!
Ayun na, sino tatanggap? Pass number 45, 3, 2, 1, stop and pump! Wala! And there you have it. And dito na po nagtatapos ng ating first half. Official score, 26. Oh, correction, 28 to 17. Nagbabalik tayo para sa ating second half. Sa ating pagbabalik. Please don't forget to like and share and follow me on Facebook. Ayan. Maraming salamat po.